Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss second skill, explanation skill under micro teaching, whose subject social studies, sub subject history, topic Akbar. First, aim of explanation skill. First, to develop the capability in the pupil teacher to make clear explanation of difficult portion of the lesson. Second aim, to develop skill in pupil teacher to represent the difficult portion of chapter in an easy way. Third aim, to develop efficiency in pupil teacher to convert the difficult meaning in an easy and clear way. Fourth aim, to develop efficiency in pupil teacher to represent lesson with appropriate or suitable example. Next heading, components of explanation skill. First component, clear beginning of statement. Second, use of proper words. Third, clarity. Fourth, easy and comprehensive language. Fifth component, coordination in the statement. Sixth, absence of irrelevant statement. 7. Fluency in language. Next heading, teaching aids. Next heading, previous knowledge. Students have basic knowledge of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Next heading, initial statement. Today I will practice on explanation skill. Next heading, statement of aim. Today we will discuss about the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Explanation, pupil teachers statement, student statement component. First question put up, who built the Allahabad fort? Student statement Akbar. Then explanation, the Mughal Emperor Akbar was born in 1542 and was the third Mughal emperor. He was the son of second Mughal ruler Humayun and mother was Hamid Bano Begum. Akbar became king in 1556 at the age of 13 when his father died. Bairam Khan was appointed as chief army commander during his reign and he played a significant role in several battles like as Battle of Panipat II fought between Akbar and Hemu in 1556 and Battle of Haldi Ghati with Maharana Pratap, ruler of Mewar, in 1576. He died in 1605 AQ and his tomb is situated in Sikandra, Agra. Last question put up, what is the name of his father? अकबर के पिताजी का क्या नाम था? स्टूडेंट स्टेटमेंट हुमायूं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम ऑफ द बैटल फॉट बाय अकबर. आंसर, सेकेंड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत, बैटल ऑफ हल्दी घाटी. फाइनल स्टेटमेंट, टुडे आई हैव प्रैक्टिस्ड ऑन एक्सप्लेनेशन स्किल. This skill has checked, topic presented good, voice clear, time care.